Let me show you guys the easy way to remove an e-brake cable from the emergency brake handle of a Toyota pickup truck. First, go to the engine bay and remove these two 12mm nuts that hold the cable pulley assembly to the firewall. Next, grab some needle nose pliers and remove this tiny cotter pin. Push the dowel through. Then the pulley drops right out. I'm putting this back together so I don't lose any of it. Now we go into the cab. Pull this out a little bit. Remove this 12mm nut. And this holds the switch in place. Pull the switch out. Now the handle has a little bit more room to go in farther. But it's not quite there yet. Notice there's still about maybe an inch, 3/4 of an inch gap right here. Get a flathead or some needle nose and grab this little pin on the ratcheting system and pull it back. Slide that in. Now you can see this stopper here is all the way against the plate that the switch mounted to. Now I'll come around to the engine bay. And you can see the handle has extended that extra 3/4 of an inch through the firewall, and I can easily slide the cable out. And now the cable is removed. Now remove these two bolts. I have a lot of how-to videos on these 80s Toyota trucks, so be sure to subscribe. And the whole parking brake assembly pulls out from the firewall. Thanks for watching.